nigga sleep like that, man.
Yeah.
That's my cousin, though.
Yeah,
Nigga,
look at him.
he out of it.
Yeah, he out of it, man. Y'all have a good time, man.
Nigga calling the home, man. He calling the home.
Hey, man, y'all gonna get that nigga lazy boy. that nigga gonna recline in it, man.
This nigga choked himself.
Nigga, little shit, he gone.
That nigga choked himself awake. Almost choked himself woke.
That nigga need to be in the couch, man.
Right, look at him. He gonna end up in the middle. Look at him. Look how far his head going. Hey, nigga, you gonna fall. You gonna fall, nigga.
Bud,
That nigga's a beast.
Bud,
He a beast, that
nigga,
nigga.
wake your ass up, man. Where you at? Bud, where you at, boy?
Look at him. What's up, man? Wake up.
Where you at?
Oh, shit,
You been asleep 15 minutes, nigga.
I don't know who the fuck is going on.
You sleep 15 minutes, boy.
That nigga thought the cops was Hey, sir. Hey, sir. Get up off the ground.
I couldn't get nothing out. I was laughing like, oh,
You was out of it, baby.